Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review Hero 2067 fountain pen, which is really expensive, and it comes with a nice green color carton box, and Hero is written in the front side, and on the top side, Hero Pen Company's emblem is pasted, and uh, the aesthetics are really good. And if we see the pen, and really the weight of the pen is more, and it is having a good red color body with golden trims and with golden clip. On the top we can see a golden ring, and the price of the pen is just 15,600, and it comes with a golden nib, and for safety purpose thread is there, and it comes with 14 karat dual tone nib. It is gold plated, and this is #6 nib, and number 35 also we can put for this particular pen. And let us see the weight and dimensions of the pen, and the weight is 63 grams, and if you put the cap, no, we could not able to put the cap on the rear side of the pen, and just we need to hold this cap, or we need to keep it separately while writing. So the holding diameter is really good, and let me measure the dimensions. So with nib, the total length of the pen is around 128 mm, and with the cap, the dimension is around 150 mm. So this is a lengthy pen, and if we see the diameter of the cap, it is 15.15 mm, 15.3 mm. 3 mm it comes in the center portion of the cap, and the body starts from 13.3 mm, and the grip area is 10.2 mm at one end, and it is 9.5 mm at another end. So we have a stopper in the grip to have better holding. And let us see the converter of the pen. So it comes in with a good converter, and for all the expensive Hero pens the same converter is used, and we have equivalent converter also, so you can order that separately. As of now we don't have the exact Hero converter, but it can be it will be coming in stock soon. So we can see the Hero emblem in the converter. So the barrel itself is a metal, and it is coated and artwork is done on the surface. And let us have some closer look of the pen. And let us write and see how this writes. I am using some expensive inks in the market. Since the pen is having gold nib, I don't want to take chance of corrosion. So I am using Pilot ink or Schiefer. We can use Schiefer, Waterman, whatever is available, and Sailor is most preferred. We have Hero ink also, that is also preferred. The tip size is medium. The sentence is written with Hero 2067. My handwriting is a little bit changing because I used to hold some slim pens, so the bigger pen is not exactly fitting to my hand. Hope you can see the writing now. And with piloting. It is writing very smoothly and there is no disturbances in the flow. If you have any questions regarding this particular model pen, and you can ask your questions in the comment section, we will answer you as soon as possible. So please clean the pen whenever you don't write for a long time. You can clean the ink. You can wash with water and you can keep it safely. Since this is a gold tip, we would like to insist you to take some preventive measures. And please don't use some inexpensive inks for this particular type of pen to get long life of the nib and as well as for a smooth flow of writing. Thanks for watching this video.